Having landscape concept management at the building is huge value for us. We have them come weekly to do the maintenance. We have 4 rotations, the winter, fall, spring, and summer. So colors are always changing.
Landscape Concepts Management came on board and they took the property and they did a complete 180. The work has been done. The communication's been there. The board is very happy with the work that's been done here. And in the last 30 days that they've taken over this account, it looks beautiful. The communication with the account manager at Landscape Concepts has been superior from the very beginning on this property. From emails, correspondence, to follow-ups on work that needs to be done, the account manager is on site regularly.
Landscape concept management never ceases to impress me. There was one time in particular, I remember Ned was out of the office, but our poor herbs were dying. He was so quick to get somebody here to do resets and really saved all our herbs.
It is super important when you're looking for a service provider that they have an all-response team. We had an incident at one of my previous associations that I managed where we needed to have a contractor come out and remove a dead tree that had fallen. And Landscape Concepts Management was the first to respond on all our needs right away.
One thing that I really like is the holiday season because Landscape Concept Management puts up a 12-foot tree, and it really brings a sense of community that everybody can enjoy together and as a building.
What's nice to see when homeowners are paying attention to the detailed work, like the edging is finally getting done, the landscape lawn is getting done, the fertilization. It's things like where you spend the detail work that homeowners, board members, and myself are very appreciative.
3 reasons why we chose Landscape Concept Management at State and Chestnut is because of their reliability, their professionalism, and really how creative they are. You really wouldn't get those 3 things with any other company.
Landscape Concepts Management has gone above and beyond for me and my properties every single time. And it's one of those that I can't thank Landscape Concepts Management enough because it's the truth.